everyone, back at it again with a huge PR haul. So I haven't done one of these in a while and I really want to do one for you guys. So before we get in the video, make sure to click the subscribe button if you're brand new, ring that little bell if you want to be a part of our notification squad, and let's go ahead and get into this PR haul. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you is something that I did not get in PR. It's actually something that I ordered, and I ordered these beanies. So I showed you guys on, I think it was Snapchat or Instagram, like looking for beanies online, and oh my God, there was like $300, $400 beanies on Nordstrom's. I was like, who's gonna spend $400 on a beanie? I don't care how much money you have in the world. I still would not spend that much on a beanie. But I was able to get these ones from Nordstrom's because I was really looking for the ones that have like the two little ears, just because I thought it would be really cute. We're getting ready to go to Europe and it's supposed to be very cold there right now. We're going to London and then Edinburgh in Scotland. So it's supposed to be freezing. And even though I love the cold, I don't do the best with it. All right, so this is the first beanie that I got right here. This one's really cute. I really like this one. I don't know who it's by. Tasha, that's all it's called. I don't know what the name is, but I'll have everything linked down below. But this is the first beanie. Oh my God, I haven't even tried it on yet, but hey, that's kind of cute. I like it. Oh, okay, so success for the first beanie. And then this is the second beanie right here. And this one actually has a tag on it. This is by the brand Eugenia Kim. Oh my God, this one's actually really small. And I have a small head, but it's one size, it says one size. Oh, it fits. But if you had a bigger head than me, this is not gonna fit you. And I have a really small head. That's why I have problems with sunglasses and a bunch of things just because I have a small head. But this one's also really cute too. I like it, and I love it that it has the two little balls right there. And I like it that it's different colors. So I got two different ones because I was like, this one's really cute, but it's not gonna go with everything, but this black one will go with everything. So those are my beanies. All right, so next up I got a package from The Balm, and I am so excited because, dude, you guys, they are so sweet. So they sent over this really sweet card in it, and they told me, they're like, I hope that you love our new launches. And they sent me double so that way I can do a giveaway for you guys. So stay tuned on my Instagram because I really love doing giveaways over on my Instagram rather than YouTube. So I just do like a little really cute little flat lay, and I add Ollie into all of them, or I try to add him into all of them. Sometimes he gets difficult. Like, he has usually been very easy with pictures, but this last go around with the Derm E one that I did, oh, that he struggled. He was just not having it that day. So they are launching this new palette right here. It's called Me Matchmaker. It's the eyeshadow palette. This is going to be available in January, and the price is going to be $29.50. Ooh, check that out. This is the palette right here. How beautiful is that? First off, I really love this duo right here, and I love the whole top row. This one is also really pretty down here too. And then these will be just fun little pops of color to play with every so often. But this is a really cute palette. Let me go ahead and swatch a couple of shades for you guys. We should do like a review on this and maybe like a tutorial using it. I've been having a lot of fun with tutorials lately. There are some swatches on my hand, but I really like Matte Stupak. So that will be in there for a giveaway. And then they also sent over 2 of their black liquid eyeliners. So I will be giving away one of these as well to you guys. So stay tuned on that Instagram. All right, so they also sent these candies too. So they're tiny conversation hearts. You know those little Valentine's Day hearts? How cute is that? And it says, to Madison, love The Balm. So thank you guys so much. And thank you so much for sending over double for a giveaway. You guys are the best. All right, so next up I got a package from Camille Beckman, and I love, love, love their lotions, their sprays. They are amazing. So they sent over their new holiday ones, and I can't wait to try these out. So they sent over, oh, it's a foot therapy. Yes, I need a foot therapy so bad. My feet are so dry. TMI, but whatever. So this is their Frosty Mint Foot Therapy right here. Ah, I'm so excited for that. That is totally going on my, oh, I have so many lotions on my nightstand right now. It's crazy. And then also they sent over the Frosty Mint Fragrant Body Mist. I used one of them already. I forgot the scent that I use. It has a black top and it has purple flowers on it, but I use one of these already every single day. I love it. I use it because First, I was always using perfume everywhere I went. I was like, sometimes I'm just running out the door to run some errands and I don't want to like, you know, do a bunch of perfume on me. I just want to like spray some body mist. So that's what these are perfect for. And then they also sent me another one of their all natural moisturizing lip balms. This is in Moroccan Spearmint. I love their lip balms. I have a purple one sitting on my like by my sink, so I put that on every single night. And then last but not least, they sent over 2 packets. These are their Women's Wellness. So the first one is Wellness Plus. So this is Epsom salt, coconut milk, home remedy bath soak. It soothes sore joints, relaxes tense muscles, releases congestion and pain. This is one of my favorite ones right here. All I do is just open it up and I pour it like into my bath, like right where the water is running. And then I just like kind of swirl it around and I just soak. Like this is the best because I have very bad sore muscles. And also I'm getting back into the gym again, you guys, which I'm like trying to get back into a groove with things, but then now I'm leaving for like almost 2 weeks and I'm like, crap, I'm gonna be off of it again. So I'm really trying to get back in, and each time that I go now, because I haven't been super consistent, I've been really sore every single time I go. So that's why I really enjoy these. And then the other ones they sent over, oh, this is a good one. I've done this one before too. This is the Mind and Body Bath Soak. And this one is for relieving anxiety, stress, relaxes the mind and body, increases overall awareness. So this is just a very like relaxing like smell that it has. Yeah. I feel like I can smell you through there. So yeah, really bomb. All right, so next up we have one from Hourglass, and I am so excited that they sent these over to me because I saw on a few people's snaps that they like hand delivered them to their doors. And I was like, oh my God, I hope I get those. They are introducing the new Vanish Flash Highlighting Sticks. It's the next generation of Vanish in the form of gleaming highlighters designed to give an instant flash of light to the skin. So they also sent over acrylic case that they said that we hope that you can repurpose. And then this highlighting stick launches online on January 9th and in stores January 26th. Thank you so much to the Hourglass Cosmetics for sending this over, but this is what they look like. You slide it out. There's a total of 5 shades right here. Ooh, so I actually already opened this up because I wanted to use it while I was getting ready with my makeup, because I'm gonna be filming after this. I'm gonna film like a swatch video and review video on these, but that is what they look like right there. How cool is that, right? So I'm gonna save the swatching for that video so that way we don't take up too much time and you don't get like, you know, the same information in both videos. Next up, I got a package from Fresh, and first off, let me just show you what they sent over. They sent over this mask wardrobe. So excited for this, you guys. So in here it has the Sugar Face Polish, the Rose Face Mask, the Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask, and the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vibrancy Boosting Face Mask. Oh my gosh. So this is a $102 value, and it retails for $71. Look at how cute this is. This would have been the perfect gift for someone for Christmas. That would have been a good one. Thank you so much to Fresh, you guys. They sent over this really sweet card. It says, Dear Madison, happy holidays. Thank you for all your support this year. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season and a fresh new year. They also sent over a gift card to Fresh. Oh my goodness, they sent so much over on this gift card. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. And I know the first thing that I'm gonna purchase from them, I was just watching Nicole Guerrero's Best in Beauty video, and she did her skincare in there. And one of the things that she recommended was the Fresh Toner, I believe it was. And I was like, dude, this looks really good. I really wanna try this out. So I know that's gonna be the first thing that I ordered. So I'm probably gonna go on there tonight and do a little shopping spree. So thank you so much to Fresh. You guys are the sweetest, and I can't wait to try out these face masks too. All right, so next up, I got a package from Avon. Look at how cute this is. They wrapped it so cute, and I love the little M on here too. I love it. All right, so let's open it up. Madison, wishing you a beautiful holiday season and a happy new year. Enjoy and cozy up with the Avon products inside. Ooh, let's see what they sent over. I feel like it's Christmas again. Oh my God, we have gloves. Totally wearing these to Europe. This is awesome. So we have gloves right here, and it also has little finger holes. That is perfect. And then they also sent over a scarf. Oh, yes. And then they sent over, oh, is this a blanket? Oh, that's a cute blanket. I like the little tassels on it too. Awesome. And oh yeah, we have another beanie, you guys. This is like the beanie video right now. Love it. Thank you so much, Avon. You guys got me set for Europe. I actually kind of want to bring the blanket on the plane too, because it's gonna be a 12-hour flight. All right, so next up I got a package from MAC Cosmetics, and oh my God, you guys, look at these. Woo! This is awesome. This is the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color Metallics, and these are 15 shades, I believe, right? So it's with a full lineup of 15 saturated molten shades. All 12 of the original warm, neutral, and boldly bright metallics are here again. Ooh, and these also retail for $21 US and $25 Canadian. So let me show you guys. Whoa, look at those. Okay, you know what? I think this would be awesome for a swatch video, because right now I'm pre-filming a ton and I really want to do more reviews for you guys, and that's what you've been requesting. So I think I'm gonna save these for a swatch video, so stay tuned for that. Next up, I got a package from Tatcha, and you guys, they wrote in here, for your beautiful fans, Deep Cleanse, text Tatcha to 31996 for your free sample. So if you text them for United States only, it only works for United States, you text them, then they're gonna send you a free sample of the Deep Cleanse. Okay. So this is what is inside the box right here. Look at how pretty that is. This is what the Deep Cleanse looks like right there. And I'm obsessed with the packaging. This is like my favorite color of all time right here. So that's awesome. They also sent over the water cream as well. I've been using this lately and I use it. I love it because it's like a gel, so it's not too like thick or anything. It just, honestly, when you put it on your skin, it feels like water. It feels amazing. And then, ooh, they sent over the one-step Camellia cleansing oil. I'm already using this right now. I've already been through a full one of these. I'm on my second one because they just restocked me, and now I have a backup. So thank you, Tatcha. I love that stuff. It's amazing. Ooh, it's like a really nice towel. Do you use this like to wipe off your face or to wash your face with? I'm not quite sure. Let's read. Okay, so it says pure silk cloth. It's a 100% silk cloth, polishes skin to smooth finish. A light purple side to start off bright, and a dark purple side to hide traces of makeup. Ooh, okay. So I'm guessing you would use that with the cleansers and everything. All right, so the new cleanser launched at Sephora and Tatcha.com on December 26th, so it's already available. It's $38 for this guy, very reasonable. And it has it's an oil-free daily gel cleanser. It's infused with natural exfoliants and clarifying extracts to lift impurities, unclog pores, and balance skin moisture. Use a steep but gentle cleanser in the morning to wake up skin for a fresh start. All right, so I was so excited to see this next one. So this next one is from Laura Mercier. And you guys, they're launching brushes. The Art of Brushes, Performance, Precision, Perfection. How exciting is that right now? So they sent me over this whole paper talking about all the brushes, the prices, everything. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. And this is their Essential Artistry brushes, by the way. So they sent over this little box. Look at this case. This case is everything. Oh my God, I want luggage in this type of like material. This is amazing. Wow. I'm taking this brush case right here to Europe. This is perfection. Look at this. Oh my God. This is like the nicest brush case I've ever seen. This is amazing. Oh, you can put stuff right there. And then you flip it again and there's more. Flip it again. Wow. There's even pouches on the inside too, so you could probably put like all your eye products in here, like your eyeliner, your, you know, all that fun stuff. This is their powder brush right here. Very nice as well. Ooh. They are innovative synthetic fibers and have been redesigned for precision and flawless application. These precisely cut and contoured shapes are customized and tapered to pair perfectly with all of Laura's formula. They are hypoallergenic and easy to clean with reduced fallout and breakage. There's this little guy too. I think he's fat and he like fluffs out, but he's all packaged up. Let me look at, I want to look at the eyes. All right, so here's an eye brush. Ooh, I like this one. I love brushes like this right here that they're fluffy and then they taper in at the end. So that way it makes it very easy to get into that crease. I can't wait to try that one out. Eye color. So this is one that I would use for my shimmer shadows or any like cream products right here. This is a really good one. Like it reminds me of what's it called? The one that I always use from Sigma, the cream color brush that I always use. That's what it reminds me of. And then this is like a more precise crease brush. Yeah, eye crease right here. So this one is a little bit more dense, but it's still fluffy on the end. Ooh, this little guy is really great for the bottom lash line. He's a little bit more precise. Here is another one right here. This is an angled contour. This is the angled cheek contour. So get that precision right there. I really can't wait to use him. I'm gonna use him tomorrow when I do my makeup. Maybe we could even use them in a video. I have to do a Wet n Wild, like full face Wet n Wild video. I think I'm gonna film that tomorrow morning. So I'll use these brushes in there so we can really like test them out. But this looks like a foundation brush. Yeah, oh, cream cheek color brush right here. Very, very nice. So thank you so much to Laura Mercier for sending these over. I had no idea they were coming out with brushes. No idea. But dude, this case is everything. I'm like obsessed with this case right now. This thing is awesome. All right, so next up I got a package from Almay and they're introducing the new shadow quads from Almay. Ooh, they launched in December and January and you can get them in mass market retailer nationwide and almay.com. Ooh, okay, you guys check these guys out right here. This thing is heavy, but dang, look at those. Those look so pretty. I cannot wait to try these out. I honestly was even thinking about doing a review on these and like swatching all of them. Oh, you know what? I'm gravitating to this one right here. This is The World Is My Oyster. Check that one out. All right, so the shade that I grabbed right here is 170 Individualist. So each square is a different finish. So you have more of a glittery, matte, then a middle ground between a sheen and then like a sheen. Like it's got like all different levels of sheen and then a matte in there, which is really cool and very different. I've never seen anything like this, but they feel very creamy. Like they feel really good. But in all honesty right now, I feel like there's not a ton of color payoff, to be honest. Yeah, I'm like not getting that much color payoff right now. So that's what they look like on my hand. I'm not getting the best color payoff with my fingers. So I'm definitely gonna have to try these out and let you guys know. I have to try them out with a brush to really say something about them. But as of just swatching that one with my finger, probably not the best color payoff, but they felt very smooth. So I'm interested to try those. I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated. Or you know what? Let's just go ahead. We'll try it in like a future like video. Get ready with me video, chit chat video. I don't know, we'll try it out some way. All right, so last but not least, I got a package from Smashbox and this one was really cool. Basically, when you opened up the main, like the big box that it came in, it made like a picture, like a camera shutter sound and it was really neat, but I already took this out. And this is what it looks like, which makes sense why I was making like that lens sound because it's all like around lenses. All right, so these are their new photo edit trios. They're 3 perfectly coordinated shades, double dose of the color you use most, super blendable, highly pigmented. So these are brand new. These are the palettes right here. I don't wanna like turn it even more because they're gonna fall out, but there's a lot of eyeshadows in here. And I'm thinking about doing a review. I was gonna film it after this, but I have to be somewhere at 4 o'clock and I'm not gonna have enough time. But I used 2 of the eyeshadow palettes on my eyes today, so that is how I created this eye look, is from 2 of these palettes. So let me show you which ones 2 I used. The 2 that I used are these ones right here, which I really like the packaging because the packaging reminds you of a camera lens as well. It's really cool, like the whole idea about these. And so I use the Nudie Pick Light and Nudie Pick Medium to create this look. So I don't want to give, like, I really enjoyed them. So I am thinking about doing a whole swatch video on all of these. So I will give you guys my opinion in that video. If I end up not doing that video, then I will let you guys know in my January Dopes and Nopes. So just stay tuned for that. But this is one of the shadows right here. And then the other palette was this one right here. So these are really nice though. But I'll go ahead and swatch a couple for you right now. So there are some swatches, but definitely stay tuned for that video because I'll swatch. If I do that video, I'm gonna be swatching all the colors. So definitely stay tuned for my thoughts on these. But if you are wondering how I did my eyes today, it's with those 2 little palettes that I got from here. So I opened it up and I was like, I I really want to use these, so I tried it out. But yeah, so definitely stay tuned for that. All right, so that is everything I got in this PR haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what reviews you want to see like next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.